Metrios, born to be on the shop floor. Metrios is an optical measuring machine for bidimensional control, permitting operators to perform accurate and objective quality control tests directly in production when goods are incoming or during final inspection prior to shipment. Simply place the piece to be measured on the stage. Press a button and the instrument will detect, report and measure the element to be inspected. Metrios performs measurements with a non-contact optical system, the most complete illumination system to date. A design born for the shop floor. Every single component has been designed to measure where it offers the greatest benefits. In a matter of seconds, the machine measures threads, angles, radii, gears, lengths and many other features. The operator can take a brief look at the progress of the measurements and print a complete and immediate report. The speed with which Metrios produces a measurement report facilitates validating incoming material or an outgoing delivery, setting machining centers during setup and batch changeovers stages, checking the production in progress, avoiding downtime. Metrios is a completely automatic and objective machine that eliminates human error, providing precise results with a simple click. A sturdy steel frame and exoskeleton protect its technological heart. 3 separate temperature sensors make it immune to temperature changes. On-board step provides continuous feedback of the measurements taken. Telecentric retro illumination, providing maximum precision and repeatability on profiles. The 640 LED illuminator is programmable for 16 sectors and lights up the part from any angle. Adjustable in height, it can detect bevels or any other elements on the surface. Its powerful lighting, unique in its category, keeps measurements stable and immune to the typically variable external conditions of the shop floor. Simplified interface and large multi-touch screen combine the advantages of digital optical measuring with the simplicity and versatility of profile projectors. This autofocus system eliminates typical human errors associated with manual adjustment, benefiting repeatability and ensuring accurate measurements. Maximum ergonomics. Metrios can be implemented as a single device or can become a complete workstation. The measuring area is highly practical and can be accessed while standing. The second monitor and additional keyboard provide maximum comfort during programming. A wide lateral support base means the optical measuring system can be integrated with external devices connected to the machine's USB ports. This transforms Metrios into an authentic data collection center for statistical purposes. Metrios, born to be on the shop floor.